I'm going to show you is this new Wi-Fi smart plug 4-pack that I just purchased on Amazon. It's actually really great so far. Comes with 4 different smart plugs in here. I want to show you guys what they look like, how to set them up, and how you can use your voice to control them. Let's go ahead and get started and open this package up. So once you open it up, you can see there's going to be 4 plugs in here. In this case, I already have one plugged in. So if we go over here, you'll see I have one of my plugs in here right now. There is a button on the side here which you can use to turn on and off the device. As you can see, the light's getting brighter or darker as I turn it on or off. That's also what you can use when you're first syncing the device. You hold this down for just 5 seconds or so, and a little light in the front will start flashing, and that's how you sync it. When I turn it on, the light does go on, and I can turn it off by pushing that button, and it goes off. I can also use the app on my phone. And I thought was also really cool is while I was doing this, I got a notification from Alexa saying that it picked up a new device. So you can see as if I go here, you'll see Alexa, turn off the office lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the office lamp.
Okay.
So what was pretty cool about that was I didn't even have to do anything within the Alexa app. My phone picked it up automatically and sent me a notification that it was ready to be used. You can also use the app here, the Smart Life app. So if you see here, if I click on the power button, whoops, let's go back to home. It went off, went on. So it works really well in the app. It works really well with my Alexa device. So far, pretty happy with this. Works really good.